In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix zoomed in screen on Discord. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So when you try to open your Discord app and you see a screen like this, you think it's not normal because it's too big and it's zoomed in. Maybe you have adjusted the zoom feature or the zoom setting on your device. So what you want to do is go to your device settings and just go to your display settings. You want to scroll a bit down and just find and select the screen zoom. From here, you just want to adjust the zoom of the screen. So just adjust it to default and you want to go back. And when you go back to Discord, as you can see, it's not zoomed in anymore. So you just want to adjust the screen zoom of your device. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.